So if it's $1.99 for 1 pound, so you have pounds and cost here. 1 pound is $1.99. We want to figure out for 3.25 pounds. So to do that, you need to multiply both sides by 3.25. Ooh, that didn't come out. 3.25. So you're going to do $1.99 times 3.25. And when you do that, it comes out to be 6.4675. Now we need to round to the nearest cent here, which is the second decimal place. So we look at the 6, then we look to the right. That 7 is more than 5 or more than 4. So this 6 is going to go up. So we are going to round this to, put a little squiggle equal sign, $6.47.